Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Leos, Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this is a reading from 11th of June till 20th of June. Okay, so let's start. I'll tap into your partner's current energy, what they feel about you, what they want from you, and what to expect from your person till 20th of June. Okay, let's start. Let's start, Leo. Anjali Tarot in the house. Yay. Let's see, Leos. What's your what's your partner's current energy? Leos. Oops. Oops. Your partner's current energy, Leos, right now is Queen of Cups. Yes. So I feel like your partner is feeling lots of emotions, lots of overwhelming emotions, lots of love, lots of, what should I say? Overwhelming emotions, lots of emotions, overflowing emotions. This is their current energy, Queen of Cups. So whosoever you are connected with right now, they are feeling lots of emotions, lots of love, and it is like not immature energy. It is kind of emotional state of mind, but feminine energy. Okay, there's a difference between feminine and masculine emotions of love. I feel like this person right now is feeling lots of emotions for you, and they are carrying this feminine love towards you. Okay, sweet caring love, sweet love, caring love, and you know might be thinking about you a lot, like a mother giving you the care, giving you the love. This is the energy. This is pure love, not sexual or physical, just, but yes, it is kind of pure love that they are feeling right now. Let's see. Queen of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles. So I feel like they tried their best to stay away from you and focus on themselves, focus on self care, self love, self healing. I feel like this person, took a step back from you, and they tried to look into themselves. They tried to work on themselves, on their finances, on their work, on their world. But they were very, mentally conflicted about this situation, about this connection. They were not, ready to take any kind of decision, because their mind was playing mind games with them. Okay, mind game. Yeah. So I feel like this person was deeply conflicted regarding this particular connection, and they were not, this is the thing that they can easily come out of. This is the feeling that they can easily come out of, but they were not ready to come out of this situation because they were conflicted. They were overthinking about this connection. They were trying to hide their feelings for you. They were trying to control their emotions for you. They tried their best, not to develop feelings for you, or not to develop any kind of emotions for you. They tried their best to hide, but they were not able to do that. Okay, at least they know now. They know that they have lots of love for you, lots of emotions for you. This is their current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Leos. Leos, your current energy right now is, let's see, your current energy right now is, your current energy, Star. Leos, you are very hopeful. You are healing from something. Okay, you are in the healing process right now. This is the star energy. This is the kind of spiritual awakening that you are going through right now. You might be working on your chakra healing. You might be working on your spirituality. You are following some kind of guru, or some kind of preaching or learning or teaching by somebody, and you're very hopeful about the future. You are very positive about the future, that everything is going to be fine, and you are going to be, a very successful person someday, emotionally, mentally, and you are going to, help other peoples as well, help other people as well. So it is like Leo, right now you are in this giving phase of your life. You are very hopeful, very positive about the future, and you are not thinking much about anything else. Okay, this is your current energy. This is a very beautiful energy. You are trying to balance your emotions. You are trying to balance the lives of other peoples around you as well. You are trying to heal from something. You are trying to heal the people around you. Nice. Let's clarify. I've been a Leo rising. I can feel it. Yeah. Let's clarify. The Six of Wands, the Strength card, and the Seven of Cups. You could be dealing with another Leo. It could also be possible Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So I feel like you are feeling like a mini celebrity in yourself. You are feeling like you are getting some kind of recognition day by day. People are recognizing you. People are recognizing your efforts that you are putting in to bring this kind of beauty or positivity in your aura. And people are seeing that you are very very courageous. You are very courageous, and you are just trying to hold back from everything that is very confusing, or that's making you feel like confused, or that's making you feel like you are an option or something like that. So it is like right now you are very in a very very positive frame of mind. You are feeling like a mini celebrity, because your community might be, your people are recognizing your efforts. And people can see that how courageous you are, how beautiful you are inside out. And you are just holding back for the time being, because there's hell lot of confusion in your mind. Still you're carrying lots of confusion in your mind, whether to choose this particular person, whether to choose a person from the past, or whether to go in a new direction, or should I just take a break from everything and stay single or something like that. This is right now your current energy, Leos. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, Leos. What this person feels for you, their feelings for you. I feel like this person is already in already carry lots of love and emotions for you. But still, let's see what are they feeling for you, Leos. Ace of Cups. See, I told you, Leos. This person is falling in love with you all over again. Okay, whomsoever you are connected with, this person is deeply in love with you, carry lots of love for you, carry lots of emotions for you, caring emotions for you, loving emotions for you, motherly emotions for you. But this cup is overflowing. Can you see that this cup is overflowing, and there is a dove above this. So I feel like this person carries lots of emotional emotional attachment for you, and they have pure feelings for you, pure love for you. It's not some kind of just a physical love energy or one night stand energy or like that. No, they are feeling lots of love for you. They're over emotional. Might be they're going to propose you or say that to you someday. But yes, this person is deeply in love with you. Let's clarify. Five of Wands, Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay, so I feel like you guys had lots of conflicts in the past. You guys were fighting with each other very, very badly, and these conflicts were not, allowing you or them to confess their love or be open to this connection. But after this conflict, after this fight, you guys, this person, especially this person, whomsoever you are connected with, they felt very, very passionate about you. They felt like they still carry lots of passion for you, lots of emotions for you. They have lots of, see, this person carries lots of emotions for you. They are still very very passionate about you, physically attracted towards you as well. In addition to the feelings of, in addition to the emotions and feelings that they carry for you, they have lots of passion for you. Okay, and this is the Ace of Wands in reverse. They always stop themselves to start a conversation from their side, might be, or they always felt like there's a blockage in the a blockage in the starting position, or blockage in the connection. But now, after all this is clear in their mind, after realizing that they have lots of emotions for you and they can't hide these emotions, might be they will come to you eventually and tell you this. We will check that further. But this person feels lots of love for you, lots of emotions for you, and this is very very beautiful energy. This is not just a time pass love or something. They are very very serious about you. Nice. This is a beautiful energy. Let's see what this person wants from you, Leo. What this person wants from you. Wow. Leo, there's love all over their environment for you. Lots of emotions for you. Nice. King of Swords. What they want from you is King of Swords. They want you to express your love to them. This is what they want from you. They want you to express your feelings to them, whatever you are feeling, whether it's bad or good, or whether you don't want them in your life, or anything that you are feeling, that they want you to reveal everything to them, reveal honestly whatever you are feeling. They want to be mentally clear. They want you to be mentally very very clear and intentionally very very clear about what you want from them. This is what they want from you: clarity, honesty. And they are feeling like you're hiding your feelings, you're concealing your feelings for them. And they want you to reveal your feelings to them, express your feelings to them, whether they are good or bad, it doesn't matter. But they want you to be very, very honest and clear with them. This is what they want. Let's clarify further. The King of Swords energy, as what they want from you: Five of Cups, the Moon, the Seven of Pentacles. So it is the Five of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Seven of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Cancerian, okay, or a Taurus might be. I can feel that the energy here, so it could be Taurus as well, Leo. So I feel like this person left you in the cold. Might be they left you without any reason, without giving you any kind of valid reason, or you left them, or you walked away from this condition or from this situation because you felt like this is a very negative situation. This is a very toxic relationship. This relationship is not going to work out. You had very deep rooted subconscious fears. Okay, you were dealing with lots of fears, lots of subconscious fears regarding this particular connection, and you were waiting for this. You were waiting for the divine timing, or for the right timing, or you felt like I have done everything that I could to save this relationship, to make this relationship work out, or something like that. Okay, that is why this person now feels like you should be very, very clear and honest about your intentions, because it felt like you walked away in the past, and you are still getting lots of fear. And you should just not wait for the right time now, because this is the right time. And they want you to be very, very clear and honest about your feelings towards them. This is what they feel, this is what they want from you. Okay, so let's see, Leos, what to expect from this person till 20th of June, not Jan. Let's see what is coming towards you from this particular person till 20th of June. Let's see, Leos, what's coming towards you. Four of Pentacles. So although they are having lots of love, lots of feelings, lots of overwhelming, emotions for you, I feel like this person is going to hold back. They are not going to reveal it to you till 20th of June. You just have to wait for the right time, might be, or you just have to wait a little longer. So this person is holding back. Difficulty in, might be difficulty in telling you, or might be difficulty in conversing, or they are not that much creative, or they are not that much expressive, or they might be introvert. There are a hell lot of reasons why they are doing this, but I feel like this person is going to hold back and be really silent about their emotions towards you. But trust me, Leos, this person loves you deeply, deeply, deeply. This is what is happening. But they are trying to hold back. There's something that is making them hold back again and again and again. I feel like this. Let's clarify. Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and the Fool. See, their inner side, their mind, their soul is telling them that this connection is soulful connection. You should start this connection all over again. You should have a leap of faith with this particular person. But deep inside of them, this is what is happening. They are feeling like this is a soulmate connection. They can deeply feel like you are their soulmate. They feel like they should tell you this, they should message you, or they should text you, or they should email you, or they should just propose you, or say to you that let's start all over again. Let's just start all over again because I love you so much. But still, they will be silent. But deep inside of this, they are having lots of feelings, lots of love, lots of beautiful feelings for you, deeply in love with you. But they are trying to hide their emotions. They are trying to control their emotions. I feel like this person will be will not be silent for longer time. I feel like this person, the universe is forcing them to come towards you and tell you that they love you. They have lots of love feelings for you. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leos. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight, and thank you so much for listening. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. God bless you.